Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the SCHUBERTH M1 Pro. So the M1 Pro is the well-anticipated follow-up to the standard M1 from last season. The M1 Pro has been changed slightly for next season. So what have we got? This is the same helmet. So this year you're getting the peak included in the box. So you can take that visor off, put that peak on, and that's all available as it comes in the box for the same price. The shell is still a DFP, direct fibre process shell, so that's saving weight and increasing safety. It's the safest way SCHUBERTH have ever made a helmet. So you're barely getting any shock transferred to the head, well underneath European standards. As you know with SCHUBERTH, all tested in-house. It's made to the highest quality standards for their shell. See on the other videos, we'll talk about DFP a bit later on. So, let's talk about the M1's features. It's got a lovely ridge on the back here. What that does is it moves the area of turbulence far away from the helmet, so it's turning here so you're not getting lift on the back of the shell. So that keeps it nice and comfortable on the head, less pressure on the strap, less fatigue for the rider. Come back to the front. We've got a large aperture visor, so you're getting loads of visibilities as you'd expect on an open face. With the SCHUBERTH, it's even bigger. It's going right around the side, massive look vertical, you're getting loads of visibility. If I just open that up quickly, you've got the internal sun visor there. Obviously the sun visor, as always with SCHUBERTH, is on the side. That's the closest point to your clutch hand, so your hand's off the bar for the least amount of time as possible, always thinking about the safety. It's really natural just to put it there, move that sun visor up and down. Comes the inside of the helmet. Full CoolMax line, it's been completely reworked, so it's much more comfortable than last year's model. It's going to fit your head much nicer for most people, so it's coming right in, absolutely stunning inside. CoolMax inside, less seams, less points to dig into your head, so you're getting a nice comfort area. Microlock strap, beautifully finished, with comfort lining underneath as well, so it's extremely comfortable around the neck. It's all been improved from last season. Small details make a massive difference. So I say microlock strap, which is what this type of rider wants to get a helmet on and off quickly with gloves. If I come back down, top vent, super easy to use with a gloved hand, so no problem at all getting the ventilation into the helmet. Quick release visor mechanism, again super easy to get on and off, no problems at all, ultra quick, so if you wanted to switch to the peak, that's really easy now. If I come around to the back of the helmet, you'll see a small hatch here. That's where you put in your SCHUBERTH communication system. So that simply pops out the back, pop the communication system in. The mic and speakers are built into the helmet, so it's all ready to go. It's so simple, you don't have to take cheek pads out, you don't have to take linings out, add Velcro, put cabling around the helmet. It's super easy, just pops in the back there. That's available in a single or a duo kit, depending on whether you've got a rider and pillion or just the rider themselves. Okay, so inside the helmet, as I say, beautiful CoolMax, nice and comfortable, absolutely high quality shell, turbulates on the front just to reduce a bit of the noise coming over the top of the helmet. So that's the SCHUBERTH M1 Pro, a quality product. For any more information on these helmets, go to bikerheadz.co.uk where you can download a copy of our catalogue, or you can pick that up from your local dealer. If you could like and subscribe below, that would be fantastic.